Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all thoroughly in chapter 1 now? Today we are going to see chapter 2, estimating products. Let me see. Listen carefully.
Next we are going to see the topic estimating products. Estimate the value of 6018 into 4. Here what we are going to do is we are going to multiply this number with 4. 4-digit number with 4. Before going to multiply these two numbers, we have to use estimated value to find the product. What is mean by estimation? Round off value. We have to round off the given 4-digit number to the nearest number of two numbers. Let me see how to estimate the value for the given 4-digit number. 6018. We have to round off the nearest value from these two. We have to round off the nearest value to 6018 in hundreds place, because 6018 is nearest to 6000 or 6100. Which is the nearest value of these two? 6000 is the nearest value, because only 18 values are differ from 6000 and 6018. But from 6018 to 6100, we have the long distance to reach 6100. So you have to take the nearest value as 6000. 6018 is nearer to 6000 than to 6100. So we have to consider 6018 as 6000. Okay. Now you have to multiply 6000 into 4. 6000 into 4, what will we get? 24,000. After calculating the estimated round off value and multiply the estimated value with the given number, then we will get the answer as 24,000. Now you have to do normal multiplication, which means 6018 into 4. What will we get? 6018 into 4. Is it nearer to 24,000? Yes, it is nearest to 24,000. If you do it separately, you will find the answer. 6018 into 4. You have to start normal multiplication. 8 4s are 32. 32, you have to try 2 and 3 should be moved to tens place. 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Then the hundreds place. 0 into 4, 0. So you have to write as 0. 6 4s are 24. Now think of it. From the two values 24,000 and 24,072, this value is nearest to 24,000. Am I clear to you, children? Now listen, children. Next, estimate and then multiply. Now we are going to estimate it. Estimate means round off value. Find the round off value for the given 4-digit number 4976. What is the round off value for 4976? You have to round off the nearest value to hundreds place, which means you have to add one value to find the nearest value, and you have to go before. 4976 is nearest to either 4900 or 5000. 5000. From these two, which number is nearest to this? 4976. 76 is close to 5000, because 76 plus 24 you will get 5000. But here you have to go back for a long distance to reach 4900. So 5000 is nearest to 4976. So you have to consider 5000 as the nearest round off value. This is the estimated value. Now you have to multiply the given two numbers. 5 zeros are 0. Again multiply with tens place. 5 zeros are 0. Go to hundreds place. 5 zeros are 0. Then last thousands place. 5 5s are 25. So you got the answer as 25,000. Now you have to do normal multiplication by the given number. Start with ones place. 5 6 are 30. Then from 30, 0 have to return under 10 ones place. 3 will be carried over to tens place. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So you have to carry over the number 3 to hundreds place. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Again it will be carried over. 4 will be carried over to thousands place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Now consider this number 24,880. Is it nearer to 25,000? Yes, it is very nearer to 25,000. If you add 120, if you add 120 with this number, then you will get 25,000. If you want to get 24,000, you have to go for long distance, which means you have to subtract 880. Then only you will get the nearest number as 24,000. So 25,000 is nearest to 24,880. So this is the answer, which means both answers are approximately equal. As same as this problem, you have to do this problem by yourself. Okay children? 3,987 into 6. We have to round off the given 4-digit number to the nearest value. So consider 3,987 into 6. You have to find the round off value for 3,987. Which is the nearest value? From 3,900 or 4,000, from these two numbers, which is the nearest value? Look at here. If you add 13 with this number, you will get 4,000, which is nearest to this number. If you want to get this number as round off value, then you have to subtract 87 from this value. 3,900 is far away from 3,987. So from these two, 4,000 is the nearest value. You have to write 4,000 as the nearest value, and you have to multiply the 4-digit number with 6. Then what will you get the answer as? 6 zeros are 0. Then go to tens place, 6 zeros are 0. Again go to hundreds place, 6 zeros are 0. Then thousands place, 6 fours are 24. So you will get the answer as 24,000. 3,987 into 6, normal multiplication. 3,987 into 6. You have to do normal multiplication, dears. Multiply the number 6 with all the 4-digit numbers. Start from ones place. 7 6 are 42. So you have to write 2. 4 goes to tens place. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. So write 2 here. 5 carried over to hundreds place. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 5, 59. 9 and 5 carried over to next place. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So 23,922. 23,922 is nearest to 24,000, because if you add 88 with this number, then you will get 24,000. If you want to get 23,000, you have to subtract 922. So you will get 23,922 is very nearest to 24,000. Hope you are clear, children.
If you want to revise the previous topics of this chapter, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos from playlist of this channel. Thank you, my dear kids.